And still in Lagos, as the global community commemorates the 2024 International Day of Education, students from some secondary schools have sensitized or have been sensitized on the importance of spreading love irrespective of their differences. Zainab Akonde has more in this report.
The world is struggling with rising violence, hate, intolerance and discrimination. As such, there is an urgent need to bring back moral values. Education has been identified as a tool that fosters this change. A non-governmental organization in Lagos State believes that to celebrate this year's International Day of Education, there is need to emphasize the importance of peace education to national development.
The objective is actually to promote peace education, to emphasize the role of teachers in promoting peace education in schools as well, and to create a sense of responsibility for students, to know how pivotal they have, the pivotal role they play in ensuring that there is peace in the society.
With the mindless killing on Christmas Eve in Plateau State still fresh in our memory, this year's theme focuses on learning for a lasting peace, a reminder that education plays a vital role in ensuring peaceful coexistence among people.
I believe strongly that, especially in a country like Nigeria, where we've had a protracted conflict of some sort of violence for many, many years now, it's important for government to begin seriously to think of including peace education in schools. Once peace education is in the curriculum and young people are made aware of all this, it will be difficult to recruit them to come and go and become purveyors of violence.
Schools that have benefited from this event say they are pleased with what the organization is doing to invest in the future of these children and the nation at large.
There are so many things that happen in the society in which it is not normal, it's not good, and one way or the other way, the teacher need to impart in the life of the student so as to extract those bad norms from the student and put in the good one.
People get angry and cause conflict for tribal things that are of no essence. And today I've gotten to learn that tolerance is a key to sustain peace.
With an early stage of learning, a generation where children will be given the opportunity to build peaceful perspectives of the world around them will be achievable. Zainab Akonde, TVC News.